Hey guys, Julie here. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little different. I took part in a challenge. It was called the 5:30 challenge. So we were challenged to make a breakfast, lunch, or dinner using only 5 ingredients. That includes any spices like salt and pepper, and it has to be done within 30 minutes. This is a collab. It is being hosted by Ingrid from Mommy and Mia's Homeschool Chronicles. I will leave a link below to the playlist, so if you want to check out other recipes that the ladies are putting up, please do so. If this is your first time here, please subscribe if you haven't. I do homemaking and lifestyle videos, and I post at least 3 times a week. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I hope that you guys enjoy watching what I make. I've decided to make avocado toast. You're going to need a piece of bread, half avocado, an egg, a cheese of your choice, and some salt. I recommend getting a very grainy and seedy, nutty kind of bread. It's super simple. You toast your bread. You cook an egg over easy or over medium, however you like it. And then you just take your half of an avocado and you just smash it on your toast. I prefer the toast to be really kind of well done and crispy. Then you are going to sprinkle some salt on the avocado. You could also use guacamole if you wanted. And then you place your egg with your cheese on top, and it's finished. This makes a great breakfast, lunch. I even eat it for a snack. We have been obsessed with avocado toast since we got back from Magnolia Table. It is so delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe.